That also made me think about what people experience during perimenopause. I mean, this typically occurs in the 40s, but it can be a tough situation for many, right?
Oh, yes. Perimenopause can be a particularly trying time for women. So many women in early menopause, they won't say I'm having a hot flash. They might say, I had a panic attack for the first time in my life. Or I always take the subway to work. I never minded how crowded it was. And I found I had to get off and walk the rest of the way. I thought I couldn't breathe. Or they say, I'm not sleeping and I wake up in a pool of sweat. These things can be really nerve wracking.
And Dr. Epstein, other signs of perimenopause?
The other big sign is skin dryness. Mm-hmm. Okay, again, skin dryness, who cares? Vaginal skin lining, that matters to many women. And it creeps up so that if you say to a woman, are you feeling the effects of vaginal dryness? Is sex hurting more than it used to? Some women might say, well, maybe, or they don't really want to say yes, because the first thing many women will do is say, well, I've been busy. I've been stressed at work. I'm not in the mood for sex. There's other things going on. Women tend to think it's all in my head. I'll meditate through this. And I think meditation's important, but sometimes it really is in your vagina and not in your head. And there are things that your doctor can do in terms of estrogen or other lubricants that can help you with the vaginal dryness.
All right, Randi, we got to pick your brain here. We all think like Ponce de Leon. We're looking for that fountain of youth. So is there any indication that hormone therapy can or will give you back your youth? I'm listening here.
I am so skeptical about anything. Here's my thing. Anything that sounds too good to be true probably is.
Yeah.
But I'll put a little button there. I'm sleeping better when I take hormone replacement therapy. Other women say they're sleeping better too because I'm not getting hot flashes all through the night. So if I'm sleeping through the night because of hormone replacement therapy, if I'm having a better sex life because of hormone replacement therapy or because of whatever is making me, enjoy sex more or not feel that way, that might make me feel younger again. But right now, what all the experts are saying is do not take hormone replacement therapy because you think is going to prevent Alzheimer's or make you think clearer or make you look 20 years younger. Hormone replacement therapy is for hot flashes and vaginal dryness. That's it.